So I bought the iPhone 13. This is in the pink, and this is 128 gigs. Super excited. So I wanted to do just a quick unboxing video with y'all. So pretty. It smells new too. Wow. Also, that's interesting. Okay, so it doesn't come with the clear plastic wrap at the front. It's just this white one now. It comes with cord. It's not going to be clean after this. This is the only time it's going to be clean. I didn't even get no screen protector or nothing. I should really have done that. But look how beautiful it is. I don't even want to touch the screen right now, y'all. But I know I have to set it up. This is the back of it. You can look, already got the marks and stuff on there. Like, see all the smudge marks on my hands? Oh, yeah. It's beautiful, eh? Go ahead and turn this bad boy on. Ooh. Set up. It's much pink than I thought, but hey, I love it. It's kind of different than this is the MacBook Air. Like, the pinks are so different. It's interesting how they come up with their pink combination, but that is it. The phone is all set up, ready to go, and I'm very excited to use it. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Comment below if you've got the phone or something similar to the phone, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, bye!